Good afternoon, students. Yes, students, as you know, we're doing topic unit 1, that is knowing our numbers. And exercise 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3 we are already completed. Now I'm starting from exercise 1.4. So in this lecture, we'll discuss few questions of exercise 1.4. Yes, friends. Exercise 1.4 related with the rounding of numbers. Rounding of numbers means how we can find the estimate value or nearest value of any number. So your first question is round off the number to the nearest 10. Round off the number to the nearest 10. Yes, friends, how we can round off these numbers? For example, our first number is 77. Now we are rounding off this number to the nearest 10. Yes, friends, ones, tens. Now put your finger on tens place value. Put your finger on tens place value and observe next number. Our next number is 5 or greater than 5. If our this number is 5 or greater than 5, then our next value will be 80. A 7, here convert 8, 80, 80. If this number is less than 5, then our nearest value is 70. Clear, students? So nearest value of 77 is 80 because our this number is 7. 7 is greater than 5. Second is 903. Ones, tens. Now put your finger on this number. And next number is 3. Next number is 3. So nearest value will be 900. Next is third part, 1205. 1205. Now ones, tens. Now put your finger at 0 and next number is 5. Next number is 5. So nearest value will be 1210. Next is fourth, 999. Ones, tens. Now put your finger and our next digit is 9. So nearest value add 1 in 9, 10, then carry forward, and the number is 1000. So this is your first question of exercise 1.4. Clear, students? Next is second question. Now second question, estimate the number to the nearest 100. Estimate the number to the nearest hundred. Now student, round off these numbers to the nearest hundred. Our first number is 1246. Second question, first part. First number is 1246. Now round off the number to the nearest hundred. Yes, friends. Now round off this number to the nearest hundred. Now students will put finger on hundred place value. Ones, tens, hundred. So this is our hundred place value. Now put your finger here and observe the next number. Next number is 4. Next number is 4. Yes, students, same rule. If this number is 5 or greater than 5, if this number is 5 or greater than 5, then our estimate value will be 1300. If this number is less than 5, as you can see, this number is 4. So our estimate value is 1200. Clear, students? So nearest value of 1246 is 12. Clear, students? Next is second part, 32,057. 32,057. Now ones, tens, hundred. Now put your finger on this one and observe next number is 5. 5. So value will be 30,100. 30,100. Sorry, 32,100. Next is third part. Now our number is 53,961. 53,961. Yes, students, ones, tens, hundred. Now put your finger on 100 place value and observe the next number. Next number is 6. Next number is 6. So it converts into 10. So our nearest value will be 54,000. Clear, students? Now next part is fourth part, 5,55,555. Now round off the number to the nearest hundred. Yes, friends, ones, tens, hundred. Now observe next number. Next number is 5. So 5 converted into 6. So nearest value will be 5,55,600. This is second question. First, second, third, and fourth part. Next is third question. Yes, students, third question. Estimate the number to the nearest thousand. Estimate the number to the nearest thousand. Estimate the number to the nearest thousand. First number is 5,706. 5,706. Now round off the number to the nearest thousand. Now put your finger on thousand place value. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now put your finger here and observe the next number. This number is 7. This next number is 7. It means greater than 5. So nearest value will be 6,000. 6,000. Next is second part. 378. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. The thousand we have 0. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. And our next digit is 3. So nearest value will be 0. According to thousand. Yes, friend, this is first, second, and third question of exercise 1.4. Clear, friends? Next is third question, third part. Third question, third part. 47,599. Now ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now put your finger here and observe the next number. Next number is 5. So its number should be 48,000. 48,000. Next is fourth question. Now number is 1,09,736. 1,09,736. Ones, tens, hundred, then thousand. Now put your finger on thousand place and observe the next number. Next number is 7. So here we write 9 plus 1, 10. So number will be 1,10,000. 1,10,000. Clear, students? Now, question number 4. Yes, students. Give a rough estimate by rounding the numbers to the nearest 100. To the nearest 100. Question number 4. Now solve these questions to the according to the nearest 100. by rounding to nearest 100. Our first question is fourth question, first part, 439, 334 and 4317. Now find the sum by rounding of these numbers to the nearest 100. Yes friends, first we find the nearest value of these three numbers, to the nearest 100. First, ones, tens, 100. Next digit is 3. So nearest value is 400. Now nearest value of this number, ones, tens, 100. Next digit is 3. So nearest value is 300. Now ones, tens, 100. Next number is 1. So nearest value is 4300. Now add. Now add these four numbers, 4300 plus 300 plus 400, that is 5000. So our answer is 5000. Then second part is also find the closer estimate by rounding off to the nearest 10. Second part, also find the sum by rounding to the nearest 10. To nearest 10. Yes friends, now find the sum to the nearest 10. 439 plus 334, 4370. Now students, using same method, first we'll find the nearest value, these three numbers according to 10. Now ones, tens. Now put your finger on tens place value and observe the next number. Our next number is 9. So nearest value will be 440. Next number, ones, tens. Now next number is 4. So nearest value will be 330. Ones, tens. Next number is 7. So nearest value is 4320. Now find the sum. Add these three numbers. Add these three numbers, 440, 330, 4320. 0, 9, 5090. So our answer is 5090. This is fourth question, first part. Fourth question, first part. Clear, students? Next is fourth question, second part. Our statement is 8,325, 491. Now we'll round this number to the nearest 100. To the nearest 100. Nearest 100. First we'll find the nearest value according to 100. Ones, tens, 100. Our next digit is 2. So nearest value is 8,300. Ones, tens, 100. Next digit is 9. So nearest value will be 500. Now 8,300 minus 500 is 7,800. 7,800. Now find solve part to the according to the nearest 10 minus 491. Now to the nearest 10. Nearest 10. Now find these values to the nearest 10. Ones, tens. Next digit is 5. So number will be 8,330. Now ones, tens. Next number is 1. So nearest value is 490. Now subtract 8,330 minus 490. 0. 13 minus 9 is 4. 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Then 7. So our answer is 7,840. So this is fourth question, first and second part. Question number 4, first and second part. Yes, students, in fourth question we have 4 parts. So after this lecture, students, we will try third and fourth part of question number 4. Clear, students? Next is fifth question. Now question number 5. Estimate each of the following by rounding off each number nearest to its greatest place. Now we'll round off number to the nearest its greatest place. So fifth question, first part is 730 plus 998. Now we are rounding off this number to the nearest its greatest place. Greatest place means first number. This is the greatest place. And greatest place of this number is 9. First number is greatest place. Okay. Now find the nearest value according to the greatest place. Now simply put your finger on 7. Next digit is 3. So nearest value is 700. Now put your finger this. Next number is 9. So nearest value is 9. 1000. Now add. Your answer is 1700. Clear, students? Next is fifth question. Second part. Now 5290 plus 17,986. Now our greatest place is in first is 5 and in this is our greatest place is 1. So put your finger on this number and observe next number. Next number is 2. So nearest value will be 5000 plus. Now in this number your greatest place is 1. Now put your finger on 1 and observe next number. Next number is 7. So nearest value will be 20,000. Now add 2,000. 25,000. Yes, so this is fifth question. First and second part. Next is fifth question, third part. Now our number is 796 minus 314. Now our greatest place is 7 and 3. Our greatest place are 7 and 3. Now put your finger on 7 and observe next number. Next number is 9. So nearest value will be 800. Now in this number 314, our great place is 3. Put your finger and observe next number is 1. So nearest value will be 300. Now 800 minus 300 is equal to 500. So your answer is 500. Next is fourth part. Now we have 28,292, 21,496. Now in first number, our greatest place is 2. And here our greatest place is this. Now put your finger on this and observe next number. Next number is 8. So nearest value will be 30,000. Now put your finger and observe next number. This is 1. So 20,000. Now, sorry, subtract. 30,000 minus 20,000 is 10,000. So this is our fifth question of exercise 1.4. students. Next is question number 6. Estimate the product. Now estimate the product to the nearest greatest place. 6th question, first part is, now statement is 578 multiplied by 161. Now greatest place in first number is 5 and in second number 1. These are greatest places. Now round off this number, put your finger on 5 and observe next number. Next number is 7. So nearest value of this number will be 600. Multiply, put your finger on 1 and observe next number. Next number is 6. So nearest value will be 200. Now multiply. 6 to 12. Clear, students? Now 6th question, second part is 9650 multiply by 27. Now greatest place is 9 and 2. Now put your finger on this. Next number is 6. So nearest value will be 10,000. Now put your finger on 2. Next digit is 7. It is 30. Now multiply. We have 3 lakh. Clear, students? So students, today your homework is complete exercise 1.4 in your fair notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.